So here we are in the middle of February and in New York, upstate New York, and it's almost 50 degrees out today. So instead of being cooped up in the house, I said, well, we got our brand new chainsaw. We have a tree that fell onto our shed during this winter, so I figured this is a good time to just come out here and get my hands dirty and test out this saw. So we're just going to chop this up, get this off here. I actually have some storage space behind this shed, but there is also this tree that's been growing here as well. It's got quite a bunch of trees coming up out of the ground here, so I want to take this down too. You can see I have some storage shelves in the back, but it's hard to get to around the other side. I really want to be able to park the mower back here and build a sort of a lean-to off the back. So we're going to cut these down, and then in the spring we're going to get back here with the skid steer and get the roots out. But for now we'll just cut what we can down and take advantage of this nice warm winter day. Okay. All right, that gets rid of that. Now we're just going to cut these up, stack some of the wood up here that seems to be looking like it wants to fall over, so maybe we'll try to crack that while we're here. Oh yeah, it should move quite a bit during the winter. Just try and shove everything back a little bit. Should be good. So yeah, we're gonna clean this up. We're gonna get some of the stuff out of here, and then I have a zero turn that I want to be able to park back here, so I may get rid of this shelving, but the goal will be to build a sort of a lean-to off the back here. But for now, just going to continue cleaning this wood up and stack what we can and burn all the small stuff. Alright, so we got rid of the tree here that was laying in the shed. Got everything cut up, just almost done stacking everything. Happy with that. That wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. The biggest issue was just having all the vines wrapped around all the branches. Kind of makes it a pain in the butt. So back here I actually own quite a bit of these woods, maybe about less than 100 feet back, but I would eventually like to clean this out. I've been throwing all of my branches and leaves and whatnot back here, so I kind of made it harder for myself to clean up eventually. But could get the skid steer in there and just start peeling it back, maybe dig a hole, shove some of the stuff in a hole and bury it over. Just be nice to have a little bit more property to be able to use, but for now, one project at a time. And that kind of wraps up what I wanted to get done today. So in the spring, like I said, we'll be building a lean-to. You can kind of see now how much room we really have back here. So yeah, I have a skid steer with a 60-inch deck. It would fit right there. I think the biggest issue I always had was the trees that were here that I just kind of lobbed down. Dropped a ton of leaves, and they grew in quite a bit from all this brush. So it tended to kind of creep over the fence, and you know, it eventually be growing over my lawnmower. So I think now that I've gotten some of those cut away, and then I'm actually, like I said, going to take these big ones down. I'm just going to wait for that in the spring too, and then pull these shelves out and build a little lean-to. So like I said, that's it. Like this video please, and if you haven't yet, subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon.